Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the structure of animal cell. As we know that all eukaryotic cells are not identical, so plant and animal cell are different is the former process like cell wall, plastid and large central vacuole which are absent in animal cell. On the other hand, animal cell have centriole cell organelle which are absent in plant cells. So there is difference between plant cell and animal cell. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the animal cell. Yesterday we have taken the plant cell. Okay. Characteristics of animal cell. Presence of cell membrane or plasma membrane, which is made up of phospholipid. It means phosphorus, lipids and some proteins combinedly made the cell membrane. It is the composition of cell membrane. Cell membrane is the living and thin layer. Second, irregular shape nucleus towards the center, but in plant cell position of nucleus towards to periphery region. Cytoplasmic compartmentalization is present. It means division of labor in cell organelles. Cell organelles are large number of mitochondria compared to plant cell, Golgi body, centriole. It is absent in plant cell. Centrosome, both are help in cell division. Peroxisome, ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, both SCR and RER, which help in SCR help in lipid synthesis and RER help in protein synthesis. So functions of cell organelles will be discussed in next chapters. There is only structure of cell. Okay. Let's see structure diagram of animal cell. In the center position of nucleus. Thread-like structure chromosomes are present. Nucleus and black body nucleus is also present in the nucleoplasm. Okay. Nucleus is double membranous. And outer membrane of nucleus form a folded structure which is called ER. So ER is formed from outer nuclear membrane of nucleus. Above the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies are present. Above the Golgi, position of lysosomes. Okay. And other cell organelles like mitochondria, compared to plant cell, mitochondria are more in number in animal cell. Near to nucleus, position of centriole surrounded by centrosome. These are the microtubules, cytoskeleton proteins, proteasomes, and other biomolecules. Carbohydrate, proteins, lipids are also found in fluid matrix, which means in the cytoplasm. ribosomes are attached to ER and also found in form in cytoplasm. Chloroplast and mitochondria both have 70S ribosomes. So, mitochondria is autonomous cell organelles because it's have self double-strand DNA and 70S ribosomes. With the help of DNA and ribosomes, it's make the protein for itself. These finger-like projection means folded structure or outgrowth of plasma membrane are known as microvilli. Microvilli help in increase the surface area of the cell. Okay. These are endocytosis or exocytosis. Endo means in, exo means outside. Cell membrane help in absorption or egestion of material. So, endocytosis is also two type: pinicocytosis and second one phagocytosis. Pinicocytosis means engulf liquid material by cell membrane, and phagocytosis means engulf solid particle by cell membrane. It means death of bacteria by cell is known as phagocytosis, and sucking of liquid content is known as pinicocytosis. Undigested or waste product are released by cell membrane is known as exocytosis. It means egestion of waste material. Okay. It is the outer nuclear membrane. Inner side, inner nuclear membrane of nucleus. It is nucleolus, which form the ribosome subunit. Liquid contain nucleoplasm and thread-like structure are genetic material in the form of chromosome. Okay. So ONM, INM, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromosomes are the part of nucleus. It is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome containing ER is ref endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosomes attached to ref ER ATS type. And it is the centrosome. Inside the centrosome, centriole present in pairing form. It is mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Okay. It is a Golgi apparatus. Lysosome, peroxisome. Cytoskeleton of cell. These are microtubules. Okay. And fluid matrix is cytoplasm. It is the structure of animal cell.